Good morning, everyone. Today I'm gonna change out my leaf springs. I'm gonna go from 3-leaf setup that it's seen better days. Let me show you a little bit. It's wore out a little bit, and I'm gonna replace it with the 5-leaf setup. This is a 1500 HD 2001 model. My truck is 99 GMC with 5.3 liter. This interchange pretty good. The same leaf setup as a 2500. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this one off and I put this one on. A few things you gotta do. First thing you gotta do is gotta take off the receiver for the towing. It's in there. So I'm gonna take this off first. So I'm going to take this out first because there's a couple bolts that it's got to clear, so this got to go first. And the second step is to undo the straps on the fuel tank because the bolts got to come out also. So these bolts got to go, and one on the other side has got to go. So this doesn't clear the fuel tank, so that's why you got to undo the strap, slide it over just a little bit, pull that out, and then on the back, once you get the receiver out, it should come right out. And also I'm gonna put in new shocks. My shocks are over there, trying not to get too busy. The shocks are gonna go in there. So if you're interested, just take show you what I'm gonna try to do. I put a strap underneath the fuel tank right here, and I'm gonna undo the straps that hold it in. Probably take this one off completely and loosen this one up, and it should drop down onto here, and I'll be able to slide it over. That's the plan anyways. I just need a little bit of clearance. As you can see, this is the bolt I gotta take out. I gotta come out from here and it'll hit this. So just got to slide it over a couple inches, so hopefully this will give me enough clearance. I don't need to drop it all the way down or anything like that, just give it some movement. Let's see if it works. Alright, lost some footage there, so I got it in though. It took a little bit of anyways, this bolt came out after the tank straps were undone, and I need to slide it just a half an inch, maybe an inch or so. The bolt came out. When I put it in the other way, so whenever I have to do it again, it comes out this way, so you don't have to worry about the fuel tank no more. Wish GM would have done it from the get-go, but it is what it is. U-bolts worked. I got the spacer in there, so I kept the original spacer that comes with the truck. I think all these E71s come with a little spacer, maybe 2 inch or so, but it fit in there. So all this is tight, 4 bolts on the bottom, and you can see that's all tight right there too. So next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop the spare tire down so I can get to the shock bolt, get the shock out, put the new shock in there, and tire, of course, and I can start on the other side, do the same process. Hopefully I don't want to lose the footage from the other side so you kind of can see it. But this was the hard side because of the fuel tank, like I said, and I had to take out the receiver hitch and all that stuff. But we'll start on the other side. I'm using Gabriel's Max Control shocks, and that's what I have on the front already, and I like them. They're a little stiff, but they should be good for towing. That's what I'm going to be doing with this thing. That's the reason for the leaves and all that. So I'm going to throw that in and see how they do. But like I said, I have them on the front, and they're nice. Got it in. Just got to finish buttoning everything up. So again, U-bolts, just got to tighten them up. Both there, and I still got to put the shock in there. Shock is still out. So get everything buttoned up, throw the tire back on, get the jacks from underneath there, and I still got to put the receiver hitch back in and spare tire. So just a matter of getting everything buttoned up at this point. Oh, here it is, all done. Just finished it up. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise up the front and crank up the torsion bars on the front. I'm gonna just give it a couple turns on each side. Bring the front up just a little bit. I think it'll look a lot better, and I'm gonna take this step off. I never really wanted it there in the first place. It just came with the truck, so I'm gonna get that done. And just like that, it's done. It's been a couple of days now. Ended up cranking up torsion bars as far as they would go on the front to kind of level the truck out. So I just still a little raked on the back, but it turned out pretty good. I also did an alignment on the front, because every time you mess with the torsion bars, you need to do an alignment. It changes how your tire sits and they'll wear all messed up. So what you need to do is do an alignment. That's what I did. And new set of tires. Oh, and then new tow mirrors. Obviously, you got a tow with it. But yeah, the mirrors are done too. Anyways, that was the end of the project. I'm gonna drive for a little bit and retorque all the bolts. Just everything settles and all that stuff. I want to retorque the bolts so nothing comes out. And that's it. Let me know if you guys like it. I appreciate you guys watching, sticking around till the end. And next project is the brakes.